Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to use joint compound. First thing you want to do, as far as determining what kind of joint compound you want to use, you need to make the decision on whether or not you want to mix it up yourself or if you want to have it pre-mixed. Now the pre-mixed stuff is a little bit more expensive. If you're a contractor and you've got a whole bunch of stuff to do, you may prefer the powdered stuff, okay? The other variable that you want to consider is drying time. As far as quick set and joint compound concerned, a regular joint compound, it takes about 24 hours to completely dry. So if you come in and do your first float, you're going to have to wait a day before you can come in and do your second float. And then when you're going to have to wait another day to come in and do your third float. So you may want to consider using some kind of 20-minute quick set, 45-minute quick set. I think they even have 2-hour quick set. If you're going to use the 20-minute quick set, your skills need to be pretty good, because if not, the mud's going to dry up on you faster than you can put it up on the wall, and then you're going to be stuck with a bunch of wasted materials. So, keep that in mind. If you're a beginner, it's a good thing to just go ahead and use the pre-mix stuff. If you're mixing the stuff yourself, you need to go ahead and get it to a consistency about like creamy peanut butter, kind of thick peanut buttery. That's a good consistency for it to work. If it's too watery, it's going to take forever to dry, and if it's too thick, you're not going to be able to spread it, and it's not going to be able to spread smooth. These are some of the ins and outs of applying joint compound.